Are you ready to test your math skills? Let's find out how. Let's go for the easy level. How many sides does a hexagon have? That's right, 6. Solve this. Yes, it's 11. Did you get it? Which number is missing? Of course, it's 8. What's the area of a square with side 5 centimeters? Correct, 25 centimeters square. Solve this brain teaser. Yes, it's 14. Which one is bigger? That's right, 9 is greater than 8. If one apple costs $2, how much for 5 apples? Yes, $10. What is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle? Correct, 2 times the sum of length and width. Medium level still with us. You're already ahead of 70% of viewers. Solve. Answer 9. Tricky but doable. What is 5 factorial? 5 exclamation mark. Yes, 120. That's a smart one. If a triangle has sides 3, 4, 5, is it a right triangle? Absolutely, classic Pythagoras. Which is the square of 15? Correct, 225. How many hours are there in 3 days? Right, 72 hours. What's the formula for calculating the area of a trapezium? B is the correct answer. What comes next? Yes, 13. Subscribe if this is getting harder. Let's see who makes it to the end. Solve this. Mental Math Master. Hard level? If you're enjoying this, give it a like. It keeps the quizzes coming. What's the cube root of 27? Yes, 3. Nicely done. What's your answer? That's right, 24. If 7x equals 42, what's the value of x? Answer 6, easy algebra. Solve. It's 7. That was fun. What's the square root of 169? Did you nail it? Don't leave now. The toughest question is coming up next. Which formula gives us the area of a circle? Correct. Pi r squared. Classic. What is the value of x in this equation? A is the correct answer. Try another. Answer 144. Final one. What's the correct factorization of open parenthesis, a squared minus b squared close parenthesis? That's right. A plus b into a minus b. How many answers did you get right out of 25? Tell us your score in the comments below. Like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting quizzes.